Hello. In this video, we will review the different display settings available for search results in the Explore tab of your application. The Layout section of the Display Settings banner offers several options. The Cards view for an illustrated display. The List view for a condensed summary of information. And the Table view with results organized in columns. The icon to the right of each layout allows you to select or deselect the content to display. An automatic configuration is applied for each layout. Click Customize to view the list of available information for each layout. You can also sort your results, group them, and choose the number of initiatives to display per page. If you like this display, you can save it for future use by clicking the star icon to the right of the Display Options banner. Name your display settings and click Save. You can find all your customized displays by clicking the arrow beneath the star icon, allowing you to switch quickly between different displays. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.